Okay, welcome back. So within this series, I'm going to be rating all of my old arts, all of my old videography, all that kind of stuff to see how far I have come within my career, so to speak. So this is, I think, the first ever video that I posted to YouTube. And I thought that I would include this one because originally it was supposed to be Blender stuff and 3D design, but to be honest with you, I think that this should have a front row seat. I'm going to be honest with you, because with it being the first video that I've ever made on YouTube, definitely should be something that's featured. So I don't know what the music's going to be like on this. I know it's pretty loud, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn this down. Hopefully we don't get any copywriting and stuff, and we will go straight through this. So we're going to start with the beginning. Okay, cool. I don't know why there's so many lines across it. I think I was trying to give it kind of like a TV look. Let's see if we can turn this up a bit. Okay, yeah, because this was around the time that I was experimenting with slow motion cameras. And like some visual effects, and then animation. Oh my gosh, no, I can't do animation. I just randomly trying to film shots and basically get the framing correct. These were, I think this was a magpie in my local area. Play motion. And then we had the macro as well. Yeah, okay. So, rating out of 5, being what it is, for general college work, I would say like 4 out of 5, or at least 5 out of 5, given the age range that I was. Yeah, I was like 15, maybe 16 going on, when I filmed that. So, yeah, I think that was pretty good.